information मिळवले की एका जाग्यार at one place there is a unit which is operating under unhygienic conditions, and today we tracked it down at Gausawado, and we found that there were a lot of violations. So we have asked these unit to shut down operations. Similarly, we have seen other two units also. There, one unit in Moira, which was a pretty good condition. So we appreciated that they were following all the norms. And we have tracked down the retail outlet, which is a very well-known place here in Mapsa. And unfortunately, they were operating without the FDA license. So we have fined them 10,000 rupees. And we've also drawn samples. Non-compliances असलेले in terms of structural deficiencies असलेले, there was no sanitary cards of the food handlers, आणि भरपूर अनहायजिनिक कंडिशन नसलेल्या कारणान आम्ही तांकां बंद करपाक लायले. शॉपान जे प्रोडक्ट्स असलेले ताचेरूय कांय लेबल्स नसले. देवर नो लेबल्स ऑन द पॅकेट्स. So we've tried to track down. Now we've got to know that the manufacturer is from other states and he's supplying into Goa. So now our aim will be to establish who are these suppliers. सद्याक तरी बंद करूंक लायला, आणि जो मॅन्युफॅक्चरिंग युनिट आसा तो बंद केला. So this bakery, they have to do some compliances in terms of transferring the license, which they will do in a day or so. But the bakery is totally in an unacceptable condition. So he will have to put everything in place and then only operate. So till that time, they will have to do only retail sale. So as of Sadhyak retail unit and the bakery.
The bakery. Okay.
The other two units which we have inspected, they were minor non-compliances. License was in the name of his father who has passed away. So there is some formality of transferring that. Units which operate on the street side, I think it is very much evident. If it is visible to us that they are unhygienic, then people should not patronize them. They can also share the details with us. Not that we are not watching, we are of course watching, but we have a process, and for us it will take time till we reach out to everyone, and this drive will continue.